Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. And once again, I am here with the next part of our series work, how to get the realistic skin tone. I already have shared two videos regarding this particular portrait. First part was on how to draw the background so that a 3D face can be drawn easily, and the second part was on how to draw realistic eyes, and after that this video is on how to get the realistic skin tone. Before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Sutapa Ghosh. I used to teach you how to paint with acrylic color or how to sketch with pencils and so on. Here for 2 days I am working on a particular portrait. I have shown already that how to draw the background and as well as how to draw the realistic eyes for 3D look portrait. So if you want to watch them, the link will be on description box. So without wasting time, let's start today's part, that is how to get the realistic skin tone easily. Northern people have very light skin tone and their skin structure is totally different from our skin, and that's why they have a transparent type skin. For this particular portrait I have used red, yellow and white color in 1:2:2 ratio as the base tone, and sometimes I am changing the ratio as per the value. What does it means? That if the value is dark, I am adding little bit more amount of red with it, and if the skin tone or value is light, I am adding white or yellow as per the reference picture. Here I have not used any black color or brown color because here the skin tone is northern skin, so they have particular tone type. If you want to get the middle zone of India skin color or our skin color, then you will have to add brown or black color little bit so that the wheatish color or dark shade color you can get easily. We need to have the clear focus on blending of the colors, while if you are having any problem with blending the color, use water to dilute the colors and then mix it well, but the amount of water must be very less. If you want one separate video on how to blend the colors on canvas or canvas paper directly, then I can easily make one video on it and let you know. So do one thing, just comment me that you want to know how to blend the colors on canvas directly. In this video I have not used 2 or 3 layers. On the very first layer itself I am judging the values, where which type of dark or which type of light shade will be there, and I am judging it directly and then filling the colors. Later on, if I have to rectify some areas, there I am using only second layer. So this process is totally different from my previous videos. This needs lots of practice, then only we can directly judge the value and get the tone on first layer. I will suggest that get some practice paper and keep practicing the acrylic color painting by first layer itself. So many people are already have started to work with 2 or 3 layers or more layers, but instead of doing that, as you are growing up, try to get the tone on the very first layer. Once you will be habituated with it, your portrait will be much more lively and it will look more realistic. One secret trick I am telling you so that your painting will look more attractive is that never make the full painting just a copy of the reference picture. Some portion, some area which is not so much focus, painted it as like a painting, not like a realistic photo, so that the people who are viewing this, they can easily understand that this is not a photo clicked printout or the xerox of the main reference photo. This is a handmade painting. So many people are doing this mistake that they copied or they painted the full portrait just like the copy of the reference photo, but this is not the proper concept. Always you follow the famous artists, you can easily understand that they have painted the photograph so realistically. You may get those types of famous paintings easily on Google. Just download them and observe them for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and you will definitely notice that how they have painted the focused area so realistically and let some unimportant area so casually. The liveliness of the portrait of painting will be 4x or 8x time expanded by this trick. No one will reveal it, but I am telling you, don't believe my words. Do it and judge by yourself. If you are judging yourself, you will get the true concept. Okay, on next part of my upcoming video, I will let you know how to draw realistic lips. So if you are interested in knowing how to draw realistic lips, then stay connected with me. If you are not a subscriber, then subscribe my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, the video will be available very next day. And press the notification icon or bell button so that the notification will reach to you on time, so that you can easily see the step-by-step processes. If you are only watching the videos and if you are thinking that by watching videos you will get the concept easily and you will be a very polished artist, it is not possible. Watch the video and practice. Do one thing while you are watching my video or any other YouTuber's video. See for 1 minute, then pause it and then try to copy it. Then once again you play the next part and then once again you do the same thing on your portrait. Then only you will learn. This is the way I have learned. Bye.